I'm going to show you how you can play R.E.P.O ranked in just a few steps. So this is a mod that will add the ranked mode into R.E.P.O and I find it pretty interesting. So this mod will add an ELO based matchmaking system for R.E.P.O. So as you can see here, you can search for a match and you will get matched against someone with similar ELO to you, and whoever completes the same level faster wins, and that way you can win ELO and start ranking. So this is very interesting, and all you need to do is install this mod with a mod manager. So for this, I'm going to use Thunderstorm. I'm going to leave the Thunderstorm link below on the description, so just click on Get App, then download on Overwolf, and you will download this application right here. So just open it, select R.E.P.O. If you can't find it, just search for it right here. Select game. In my case, I have a lot of different profiles, but you won't have any, so you will need to create a new profile. I'm gonna name it Ranked, for example. Create, select profile, and now right here you can search for any mod you want. So in this case, we want the Ranked mod, so search for it, download it, and this will only take a few seconds. So now we are ready to go. We need to click this button to launch the game with the mods and wait a few seconds until the game launches. Now as you can see, the mod has been installed correctly. We can see it right here. So we can search for a ranked game and unranked, or you can set a specific seed for the queue. So let's say you want to play ranked, you just need to click there, accept right here, you will see your rank and you can search for a new match. Now this will only take a few seconds or minutes depending on the online players right now, and after that you will be matched against someone and you will need to complete the level as fast as possible. So as you can see, I got matched right now and I'm going to try and beat him. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.